Welcome to Vision MBA. I know that you are ready for the upcoming entrance examination, or maybe you are getting ready for the entrance examination, and the time is now when you revise, when you build up on whatever you have studied till now. But the point is, studying itself is so boring. So, how to revise? How to make sure that you do not miss out on anything what you have studied? How to make sure that in revision you also try to catch up something that you have already missed and make the most of this time. In today's video, I'm going to share only 3 pointers. Yes guys, just 3 pointers with you that will make sure that you do the revision the way you should without making it boring. In fact, you're going to enjoy revision. So let's get started. So the first point is mix and match. What I mean by mix and match, do not study just one topic in one day. I know there are students, for 2 days I'm going to study quant, and then for 2 days I'm going to revise verbal, and then for the 5th or 6th day I'm going to study logic. Do not do that. Mix and match. You make sure that every day you are revising all the topics so that you do not find it boring. You do not find it monotonous. For example, 1 hour you're going to focus on quant, 1 hour you're going to focus on verbal, and 1 hour you're going to focus on logical reasoning. Now people are going to say, Sir, मैंने 3 घंटा पढ़ाई नहीं की, 3 घंटा revise करो. It's just an example. Whatever time you're going to invest, make sure that you mix and match. Make sure that every day, each and every topic you cover, make sure that you invest some time for each topic to make things interesting so that you do not find it boring. So the first point is mix and match. Make a 2020 rule. Now IPL is going on and we all know that IPL is about 2020 match. If you're not into sports, do not worry. If you do not understand cricket, do not worry. What I mean to say is, and trust me guys, do this. It is a known thing. I have used it and many students of mine already used it and got the most out of it. Just study for 20 minutes, take a break of 20 minutes and then study for 20 minutes more. So keep a break of 20 minutes after 20 minutes of session. You're going to say, sir, 20 minutes is so less. It is not. Make sure that you keep your phone on silent or on airplane mode for 20 minutes and completely focus just on the books. Whenever 20 minutes are over, you check the time or you can set the alarm, then you do it again. Then you do something that you love, that you find interesting, go on social media, listen to music or do whatever. But then after 20 minutes, come back. Make sure that you divide depending upon your convenience. If you can focus for 30 minutes and require a break of just 5 minutes after that, do that. If you are someone that who can only focus for 10 minutes and then needs a break of 5 minutes, do that. But do make sure that you do not put the break longer as compared to the duration of minutes put or invested into studies. So keep the balance, keep the mix. So make sure that you follow this rule. I say 20-20. Why? Because I know for 20 minutes I'm going to study, 20 minutes I'm going to enjoy. Whenever you are bored of a topic, go for another topic, go for another book. Remember the first point, mix and match, I said. So first point is mix and match. Make sure that you study many topics in a day, you revise many topics in a day. And the second point is 20-20 rule. Study for 20 minutes, but give your 100% dedication towards it and then enjoy for 20 minutes. Come back again after 20 minutes or less than that and again invest 20 minutes. So that's the second point. And the last point is old is gold. I am not trying to say that किसी बुड्ढे से प्यार करो या सोने पे पैसा लगाओ. No. Old is gold means whatever you have studied till now, you must have used rough pages or notebooks, diaries, whatever. Or maybe the books in which you take the answers. Just go through them. Once, for example, in quant, if you have studied profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, while preparing and practicing those questions, you must have written something. At the moment, when you go through those pages again, those rough pages again, those memories will click. Yes, this is what I did right. This is what I did wrong. So when those memories are going to flash back, not only the memories, but also the lessons you learn at that time, you will also get to know what all mistakes you did while practicing those questions and what all lessons you have got while practicing those questions. So make sure that old is gold. Use the old study material of yours, use stuff, the rough pages, for revising those same topics. For example, if you're preparing for RC or if you're preparing for Parajumble, I'm sure you guys must have made your notes. If not, I'm definitely sure you must have written something while attempting these kind of questions. Go through them. So guys, in short, only 3 pointers keep in mind. The first is mix and match. Remember that you make sure that you mix things. You do not just focus on one topic in a day, but multiple topics. The second is 20-20 rule, or whatever timing you can keep it. Make sure that after certain time you take a smaller break, again go back to studies so that you keep things interesting. You keep things nice and keep yourself into the game. And the third point is old is gold. Make sure that you use your old study material, your rough notes, for the optimum use. So guys, if you use these 3 pointers, trust me, you're going to enjoy studying. You're going to enjoy what you have studied to revise, and trust me, that will make sure that you get the maximum in the upcoming entrance examination. Thank you, and make sure that you share, like and subscribe if you like this video. God bless you.